Hi guys, this is Shiv again. Today I'm here with Sony Z Ultra. I just got this phone back from my service center because I broke twice and then it got replaced with a new one. And I thought this time I want to be a little cautious about my phone because it's quite an expensive phone. So I thought I put the screen protector. So let's get started. Here's my new phone, Sony Z Ultra, which I opened in the morning. It came in this box. This is the protector I was talking about, Talk 3, which I bought from Groupon. And let me show you what is inside. High quality screen protector. A screen protector. Yeah, it's look like a glass. And alcohol swab. And dry wipes. Okay, let me put it aside. So all we need to do is place the phone. Let's peel this off. Yeah, that's a Gorilla Glass. You can see my camera which I'm recording through. Let me open this dry wipe. Okay. Let me wipe this with the alcohol so that if there is any greasy thing, it will go off. Okay, so there is no grease. So let me wipe with a dry one. Okay, here's the big one. So we need to stick this off, and oh my god, this is not fixing it. Because the sensor is somewhere and this is not the correct one, I believe, because you can see the sensor. Okay, anyhow, let me peel this off. Okay, let me hold it properly, and I need to stick this carefully. It's fixed. Yeah, you can see the bubbles are going off. You need to press in the middle so that all the bubbles will. Make sure there is no bubble. Okay. Oh my god, it got stuck. Okay, I think we need to press. Yeah, it's going on. So we need to take it. Give a pressure on it. Okay, pressure. Oh my god. Still you can see the bubbles on the corner. I don't think it's a good quality. Maybe something wrong with that screen guard. No, it's not looking good. Oh my god, I lost my money. See? No, the bubble's still there. No, that's all. You can see still the bubble, so it's a waste of money. Torque 3 is waste. It's not working out, so I'm not happy. So this is the product. Just take a look closely. So please don't buy this. Okay. And I don't know what to do. Okay. See you guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.